Peering through the glass at the skyline silhouette, counting every shadow that hasn't found silence yet. The concrete echoes with a heart that's at skipping beats, searching for the rhythm where the soul and the soil meet. We trade the fire for a flicker, trade the truth for a ghost, trade the truth for a ghost, building up the borders where the ones who belong matter most. But the wind doesn't read ones who belong matter most. But the wind doesn't read the map, it just carries the seed, sowing the harvest that the whole world will need. We're architects of echo, weaving lines through the dark, waiting for the resonance to find a single spark. No magic wands in the gutter, just a grit in the bone, finding equilibrium on a path that's paved in stone. So let the dissonance surrender to the tapestry we weave, a world where the only thing required to do is believe.
It's the resonance we crave, a convergence that we gain from the valley to the heart. We are walking in the light, no more walls to hold the sound. Let the peace be found.
Look, the clock is just a circle, doesn't care about the pride, counting every beat as we're standing on the divide. We're walking on a tightrope high above the concrete street, where the hunger and the healing finally have to meet. Where the hunger and the healing finally have to meet. The world don't know what's oxygen, we gotta earn the air. The world don't know what's oxygen, we gotta earn the air. With a sharp mind and a spirit that's beyond compare. Life is just a written in a rusted ink. Most of them are thirsty but they're scared to really drink. So we move past the gossip, past the petty little games, trying to find the substance underneath the hollow names. The globe is just a garden in the middle of a tomb, waiting for convergence, waiting for the peace to bloom.
It's the resonance we crave, a convergence that we gain from the valley to the heart. We are walking in the light, no more walls to hold the sound. Let the peace be found.
Yeah, for the world, for the life, keep your head up in the struggle. East Coast, knowledge is the power. Ill perspectives, peace.